up, YouTube? We back at it again. Except today I'm doing the front struts. I don't even think I needed to switch them out, but I'm switching them out. From the looks of it, the ones that I got look a little bit beefier. They're definitely from a newer Rex. The ones that I got are definitely from an older WRX, just by the form of it. But I already took off the wheel. For me, the lug nut size is a 17 millimeter. For you guys that are stock lug nuts, might be a 19. But I took mine off already and got the wheel off. Bam. Dude, this is the best mod I've ever done. 4-piston Subaru. And you guys don't know where I got it from. Take a guess down below where I bought it from, and winner gets a shout out. And if somebody else gets the price of how much I paid for both of them, y'all also get a shout out. So leave a comment down below if you're a real one. Let that one know. So you see how that strut right here looks a little older. I noticed that this style is the newer style. I mean, both struts are a little beat up. They are used. One of these days I'll get a new set of struts, but for now it's just stock from some other cars because money. But it's really simple to take off. I'll just get you the steps right now. This is from a 2001 Forester, so get that correct. All right, so right here, so you got two, let's focus, you got two bolts right here, the simplest ones, holding the brake line and the ABS sensor. Oops. Those are 12 millimeters, and obviously the 12 millimeter is the one that always gets lost. So try not to lose your 12 millimeter when you're gonna change your struts. And then these one right here, this right here is your camber bolt. That's a size 19 millimeter, both sides. Just try to make sure what position it's at, so if you are actually doing it yourself, you don't lose the camber. And then down below also is a 19 millimeter. Oh, no, don't focus there. Focus right there. There you go. 19 millimeters as well. And then let's come up here. These ones right here are 12 millimeter. Super easy. I already did that side, so I'm not showing you that side. I'm just gonna show you this, guys. And then what you're gonna need: breaker bar, a little wrench, a ratchet just in case, your 12 millimeter, your 19 millimeter. I got two of them, a short and a long one, and then impact just for safety when I want to get something done fast. And this is not necessary, but it's optional, is anti-seize. I mean, I live in California, so it doesn't really rain and rust that much, but I still don't like when the bolts get stuck. So I always lube up everything just for safekeepings. So I'm gonna time-lapse me taking everything off. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoy. We'll be right back with the end results. So we got it loose. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna loop up all the bolts, all the nuts, and put everything back together. I'm gonna take out this strut. So this is what I meant by the strut. It's a little older, but the new one looks like it's been through its time. And the top hats. What are the top This one's the old one. No cracks. And I feel like this one is all. Oh, this one's not that cracked, but it's a little dunty. Whatever. It's the same height, same everything. But it looks like it might be a little stiffer. Hopefully, install process is literally backwards of what you did, but I'll show you about what I do to slather it up. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one to the side. Let's get this anti-seize. So what I'm gonna do, slather that up right here. This one, and this one. And then I slather this up because look at how it is. It's just a little rusty. But not yet, but slather it up. Lather that up. You don't want no sticky strut when you try to change it. And eventually I'm gonna do coilovers. I don't know when, but I will eventually. Let's see, turn it this way. Can't. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Alright. And then I have to get the bolts right here. This one too. And then these ones, just so they don't get stuck. And those little ones, they go into these ones so they can hold the ABS and the brakes and the brake line. So let's install them again. And last thing, don't forget to tighten everything up, because I almost forgot to tighten up these ones. And you need to tighten everything up. I don't know exactly the foot-pounds that it needs to be tightened, but just make sure everything is snug and not shaking. And I'll show you the end process in a few moments, okay? All done, guys. If you guys wondering what I was listening to, a variety of music, but what is on right now, let's see. There. What? See if you guys can see that. Hope you guys can see that. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm tired. It's hot, and I need to go take wifey out somewhere. And you can't work on your Subaru with your Honda shirt. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you guys on the next video. Peace.